WhatsApp has ingrained itself into our daily lives, linking friends, family, and coworkers worldwide in a time when digital communication rules the roost. 1. Update your app often. Keeping WhatsApp updated is one of the easiest, yet most effective, ways to improve security. 2. Turn on two-step authentication. Your WhatsApp account is further secured with two-step verification. To activate it, select Account, Settings, and then Two-Step Verification. Pay attention to the permissions you give the WhatsApp app. Give access just to the functionalities that are absolutely necessary for it to operate properly. For example, if you almost ever transmit pictures or videos, there's no reason to give someone access to your camera. To reduce any vulnerabilities, check and modify these permissions on a regular basis in your device's settings. 4. Watch out for dubious links and messages. Hackers frequently employ phishing attempts as a means of gaining unauthorized access to WhatsApp accounts. When you receive unexpected messages, be cautious, especially if they ask for personal information or contain links. 5. Exit from online sessions. Using WhatsApp web on a computer makes it easy to view your messages. Failing to log out of these sessions leaves your account vulnerable to possible security risks. 6. Use biometrics to secure your phone. Make use of your device's fingerprint or face recognition biometric authentication features. 7. Make regular chat backups. With WhatsApp, you can store a backup of your conversations in the cloud, protecting you from losing track of crucial exchanges. 8. Employ robust, distinct passwords. For extra security, make sure you create a strong, one-of-a-kind password if you use WhatsApp web or business.